guys, welcome back to another Jack's Vic Vlogs. And right now, I'm walking down Stickman Drive, I think it's called, right? And one of my friends told me there was this dirt bike, and I've always wanted to ride one of these. I watched motocross races all the time, and yeah, I really like them. So I'm gonna go see if there is one. All right, guys, I can't find it. Oh, that's it. That's right there. All right, there it is, guys. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. I'm gonna have to adjust my camera so I can ride it while talking to you guys. I don't know how to ride one of these. Just gonna have to wing it. But yeah. All right, it's pretty cool. All right, see if this thing starts. Oh, it does. It's sick. Let's try. Oh god. Scary. Scary. Alright. Go for a little ride. What the? Who's this guy? What? Okay. What's up?
Hey, what are you doing on a bike?
This is my bike. I found this, sir.
Hey, I'm willing to pay in cash to get it back.
How much?
Here, I'll grab my money.
Yo!
Get off the bike now.
Yo. Hold on, bro. I just saw like $10,000 cash, not joking. Over there. Go look over there. I'm out, boy. My kickstand. I don't think he found the cash. What? No! Oh, shoot! Alright, guys. Pretty weird. Let's go check that footage, see if he had like a gun or something, like an extra gun. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go back down there, see if he's still there, but yeah. Hey! Hold on. He's got a gun. Alright. What's up, dude? Where is he? Oh, God.
I just stole my bike.
I didn't.
Hey, you did. It's parked right over there.
There's another bike. There's a green bike over there.
I don't want no green bike. I want my bike.
This is my bike.
No, it isn't.
Okay, chill. Do you want me to go somewhere?
Hey, get out of here.
Ah, Jesus, bro. Yeah, take my bike. This is so stupid. Alright, guys. I guess I'll try to get it back in a second. Alright, guys. Oh, shoot. I came back and I didn't even notice he dropped the gun. Alright. Well, I got this for protection if I come across him. But, oh, that's the bike. Is that the dude sleeping? Oh, yeah. I'm getting out of this. Hey! Hey! Wake up. Go. Get out of here. I'll pull the trigger.
All right, hold on.
Go. Go. Did you leave the keys in the bike?
Yeah.
You better have. Go. Run. All right. Start this baby up. Bye. More fun for me, I guess. Well, gotta get out of here. Gotta go home. Mama Seaco's gonna be mad at me. Hey!
Get up.
No. Ow! Give me the head. No. No. You're done. Take it off my home. Boom! Boom! Bow! Don't mess with me, boy. Shoot. Need to go. Need to go. Need to go. Need to go. Here.